Alright, so the camera died, so now I'm recording on my phone. And right now the guys are just trying to figure out how to mount the brackets on.
Sure. Yeah, we drilled the holes and everything.
So yep. New custom holes are in.
This thing's gonna be up like this.
Yep.
In the meantime. This, so.
It's too big.
See how it doesn't fit right here?
I know.
So what we do is, what we do is we stretch it out. So stretch it that way.
They're gonna have to force that in.
Yeah.
Firmly
like
grasp it.
From the bottom, there you go. Go
Firmly
like
grasp it.
let go. There you go.
Oh, the seatbelt. We don't have the seatbelt.
Oh,
No, it doesn't matter. It goes
Oh, it goes on top, huh?
Yeah.
You got the seatbelt.
Oh, damn.
Hey, careful. Careful, though.
How do we do that?
Damn,
Well,
yeah,
you
yeah.
did one side now. Because we did the seatbelt, huh?
No, just put it in, put it in.
Tip in.
Ah, that table.
Yeah, I got the table.
There you go.
Damn.
No, I'll do this side.
Hey, you're gonna hurt yourself.
There you go.
Oh, you got
Put
it?
this one.
What? Which bowl?
This
Which
one.
bowl?
This one, maybe.
Is this the other
On
one?
the side over here.
You have it. Huh?
Hand me some. There's the one for the seat.
Yeah, what other bowl you need? This? Like this one?
Yeah.
Is that what you need?
But you need the washers, no? Oh, here. There you go.
We're doing the first one, right?
Yeah, I already did the bottom one.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Look at this shitty table. Shit, have you been drinking tonight? The table was like, yeah. Oh, well, that was an epic fail.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and install the seatbelt harness. Go ahead and pull it back. Hit it down. There you go. Hit it down more. There you go. I can start seeing it go. Go. Hit it down more. It's almost there. Well, this one's almost there. See? I can almost see it. Go ahead, keep going. Good deal. Let me see. Which was the hole? Can't even see it.
I don't even know. Where's not gonna be long enough?
That's what the guys are trying to
Will be long enough.
Before they close that last bowl on the bracket. You already have the socket for that or no?
No, not yet.
I bent this on the other one, remember? I even is. On the thing, just loosen up that one. Is that? Oh, I see. I don't know. We should have put it in the back ones first. That's what we did last time, no?
Nobody care how you're dressed. Ah! Man, look at this. This is how it looks. Finished product. Looks sick. Obviously, this looks kind of ugly. Well, you're gonna get a new steering wheel anyways. It's nice. It's solid. Hey, where's the seatbelt? Oh, on the other side. Duh. That was just me being dumb. But there it is. Cool. You look sick. I'm just like something on the camera. I'm on the phone. Oh, it's always nice. Woo. Look at that. Nice. Alright, so that's gonna wrap up this video. It did get a little late, but whatever, it's fine. So thank you guys so much for watching. Barlow has new seats. Now the car looks pretty cool. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.